Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever heard about the ZenCortex? I'm pretty sure you have, and that's why you're here in this video, because you were looking for more info about it. You want to know what it is, what it does, if it really works. Then stay with me until the very end of this video. That for sure it's going to be the most complete one you will see today on the internet about it, because I also have a really important alert to share with you guys. But it was advanced and I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below that you will go directly to their official website. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end, because the alerts, guys, will be available only here on this video. So folks, you know that many people out there suffers with hearing losses, hearing problems like tinnitus. You may be one of these people, or maybe you are a person who lives with another person who suffers with that. And I know that it's very difficult to live with a person with hearing problems, but it's more difficult for those who suffers with that, guys. It's not easy at all. You have to live with people yelling at you because you're not hearing, you're not able to watch your favorite TV program because you can't listen to it, or you suffer with the tinnitus that is a buzzing that really bothers you, it's stressful, it's really irritating. And if you go to the doctor, he will just give you hearing aids to use, which is very complicated. But listen to it, guys. I may have a solution for you, which is the ZenCortex. This supplement is completely natural. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, just natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals that will target the root cause of your problem, guys. So the ZenCortex will work directly to your brain and re-establish the connection between your ear and brain. So finally you can be able to hear with clarity, guys, and no more tinnitus, all right? But not just that, as it will work directly to your brain, it will also give you other benefits, like give you a more focused and concentrated brain. It will give you a sharpened mind, actually, all right? It will work directly there. And as it is completely natural, you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. Anyone can take it because it's only going to bring benefits for you. In addition to all of these benefits, they even offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it. And if you don't like those results, all you have to do is contact the support team and ask for a refund that they will return 100% of your money back, all right? Just be sure that you are on the official website before buying it, guys. This is my alert for you, because this supplement is available to purchase only on your official website. It is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website, and that's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original ZenCortex from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind, okay? And this were the information I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching till here, and see you guys around.